Today we will study about the greenhouse effect. In the first picture you can see that the rays comes from the sun and reaches to our earth, and in the second picture you can see that when the sun rays reaches to the earth, then it does not goes back into the spaces because of the very thick layer of greenhouse gases around the earth. There are some sources through which greenhouse gases goes to the atmosphere and form a very thick layer of greenhouse gases around our earth. So waste and wastewater gives 3%, energy supply 26%, transport 13%, residential and commercial building 8%, forestry 17.5%, agriculture 13.5%, and industry 19.5%. If we see that how natural greenhouse effects plays roles and how human can enhance the greenhouse effect. If we look into the both pictures, you can observe that through the natural process, a very thin layer of greenhouse gas forms around our earth. When the sun rays comes from the sun, it can easily goes back into the spaces because of the very thin layer of greenhouse gases around our earth. If we look at this picture, you can observe that a very thick layer of greenhouse gases around our earth. So when the rays come from the sun, it does not goes back into the spaces just because of this thick layer of greenhouse gases. So due to this thick layer of greenhouse gases, it can cause many effects. So you can see that there are the following effects of greenhouse gases. It can cause global warming, climate change, it can rise in sea level. So due to the rise in sea level, flooding may occur, and drought is also the effects of greenhouse gases. So there are some remediations through which we can reduce the greenhouse gases effects. So first of all, we should use less heat and air conditioning, replace your light bulbs, drive less and drive smart, buy energy efficient products, use less hot water, use the off switch, plant a tree. Thank you.